Hi, not sure how to talk about past events? Well, I hope this video helps clear the small niggling doubts you might have while talking about past events. The most important thing to remember is when we speak of past events, it's important to mention the particular time when that action occurred. You don't have to say it in every sentence, but somewhere in the context, it should be very clear when the action happened. Now, there are many phrases which we can use to refer to past times. Words like yesterday or on Sunday or in 1995, last week, perhaps 5 days ago or 5 days back. It's important to note that when we use the words last and yesterday, we never use the words in, on, or at before them. Many learners make this mistake, so watch out for that. A correct sentence should read out like I played cricket yesterday. He walked 5 kilometers last Sunday. Now let's have a look at that in a little more detail. Aha, what's that? It's about my birthday, my last birthday. I invited some friends over to my place. We talked, rum and danced, all of us listened to music. My friend Anju, she laughed a lot. We enjoyed and had a great time. Now, here it's not important who did the action I, me, he, she, you. That's not relevant. What is important is that whatever action we are talking about should be in the past form. We have to use the past tense form of the action word, the second form of the action word, like invited, enjoyed. So that's important. Here's a small pronunciation tip. Now, when we have a word the past tense of which is in the ed form, like danced or listened. If the word ends in p, k, s, sh, or any of those sounds in the first row, then the past tense spelling is ed, but the pronunciation has a t sound to it, like talked, danced, or laughed. Other words which don't end in these sounds, like listen or enjoy, are converted to listened and enjoyed. Yet others, words which end in ter, like invite. Here again, it ends in the e sound, e letter, but the sound is ter or paint. These become painted, invited. More about pronunciation in another video. Let's have a look at questions. Now, when we make questions about actions, we use the word do. If you're not sure of how to use do in the questions, have a look at my routines videos where I've explained that in great detail. Now, do changes to did in the past, and we have questions like did you watch a movie? Or did Aman study in your school? Now, the pattern which you note here is that when we use did, we use the base form of the action word. Did plus watch, did plus study. So that's important. And what did you do on your birthday? Now pause the video and think of 5 things which you did on your birthday. Enjoy thinking about your last birthday. Well, now let's look at the negatives. In a negative sentence, we use do, but because we are talking about the past, do changes to did and we have did not. In spoken English, we contract it to didn't. Now, what does this man say? This sent me here for something I didn't do. I didn't wear gloves. Didn't do. Didn't wear. And maybe they got his fingerprints and he's landed in jail. Now, the rule is the same again now because we use did not or didn't, we have to use the base form of the action word. So, the complete pattern about simple past is that we use did in the questions, didn't in the negative answer, like or did not in the negative answer, and in the positive statement, we use the second form or the past form of the action word. Here, send changed to sent, send, sent. Now there's another pattern, a very sweet one, who did it. Now you will notice that when we use this pattern, who plus the second form of the action word, who danced, who cooked, who sang. So that's another way of making questions in the past tense. So you can use that also. Now, enough about rules. Let's have a look at this story. Now, this is what happened on the beach yesterday near the river. Now, I've written out all the action phrases here in the present. Pause the video and narrate the story in the past. You can begin with, last week I went to the beach and this is what you saw there. So, pause the video and convert the story. I'm sure you got most of it right. Now, see changed to saw, run changed to ran, make, made, and swim. That's tricky. It changed to swam. The rest were very simple. Now, you don't have to memorize each and every word. Be aware of these forms, and as you read and as you listen to other things in English, slowly you'll be able to master all of them. It's not difficult at all. Now, here's another story for you. Enjoy the story, and while you're reading it, pause the video and convert all these words into the past form and see if you like it. Now, again, that was simple, wasn't it? The new words here were bend, bent, keep, kept, find, found, lose, lost, and forgot is very easy because forget, forgot. So keep learning. Do you hear what I hear? That looks scary. Ah, I think it's a ghost, and a very scary ghost. What you have to do is use all these words and whatever else you need. So make a nice, scary ghost story for yourself and your friends. Pause the video and create a short, scary ghost story for yourself and others. So enjoy scaring others. And who doesn't love romance? So, your next task is to create an interesting, action packed love story for these two people. Think who they are, where they're from, what adventures they went on. Was it love at first sight? Why did they break up or why did they patch up? So, happy thinking about things in the past, and I hope this video was useful for you. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy learning. Bye.